Let's solve this homework here. We have a statement given from this manager with a lot of details. So we start to think about what might be the different cases to implement that. Remember, there is no one way to solve a problem. There is no one way to guess its kind of classes. So this is just one way here. I decided mainly to create an item class, and this item class has the main details that we need for the price and so on. And then I has like a list of parts. And if you would like to add a part, I'm just going to append it to here. And a part is going to be something that like maybe something that still can be thought as an item itself. So my parts are items. This has some sense of inheritance here. And the price of the item is mainly the sum of the item dot price. But observe that the item itself could be like an item that has items that has items that have items. So this actually code is that is very recursive. It's a deep price computation, and this is something interesting about this solution. So let's say that I have here two items, and the first item has also other two items. So this sum is going to keep going. It is important to be able to understand and trace this line of code. Let's say I would like to design this special chair item, for example. I can here add the extra information like the color, initialize the parent with the current information, and then this is my item. And I'm providing here a static method that is builder. The builder is going to build this special chair for me because it consists of many items. So I started here by creating the this item, and then item 1, and then I created item 2, and then I created the special chair object itself, and I started to add the items which are actually items of items. So eventually when you try to run that and get the price, it's going to be the price of the special chair as the guy mentioned. Again, this is just a single design for this problem. These are a couple of potential exceptions here. And the second problem here, the package. This is the address object standard, and this is now our package, the standard one. It has a sender, it has a receiver, the weight price, and the price per kilogram, and we have a total cost property that is just multiplying these two functionality together. Now the other two cases are just direct extensions. The 2D package will have the same information with the fixed fee, the extra one, and then we add the extra fee to the total cost plus the super cost function, the parent my cost here. And the heavy package in a very similar way, we have the weight in kilogram, the price per kilogram, the extra price per kilogram here. And then when it comes to the total cost, I first of all compute the parent cost, and then check my limits, compute the new cost, and just return. So the overall is to like help you improve your design skill more and more.